All you do is eat and eat, but you never pay a dollar. Now get out for good. And by jumping Jiminy, don't come back anymore. You moocher.
Oh, a moocher, am I? Well, mooch applies to you. He's got a nerve, throwing a guy out on an empty stomach. I'll find another boarding house. Uh-oh. Lonesome bachelor wishes to meet refined lady. Object, matrimony. Can offer fine home and lots of good wholesome food. Phone, Wally Walrus, asthma, for free. What a coincidence.
Hello?
Is this Wally Walrus?
Yeah. This is Wally Walrus.
Well, this is Clementine. I saw your ad in the paper.
Ah, that's good. Young lady, are you refined?
Am I refined? I'm 110 octane. Now don't go away. I'll be right over. Goodbye.
Ah, Clementine. What a beautiful name. And by golly, she's coming to see me too. Sweet and dainty, like a fairy, and her voice is so divine. Like a feather in the weather, she's my darling Clementine. My darling Clementine.
But you can just call me Clem.
Pleased to meet you. And my name is Walrus. But you can just call me plain Wally. Yeah, sure.
Okay, you cute little Wally.
By golly, she is plenty wonderful. Ah, there you are, me little love bird. No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are too.
No, I'm not.
I said you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No.
Yes, you are.
Ah, she loves me. It is you? Huh? The Woodpecker!
Yeah, and you're Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling. on to your seats, cause you're going to hear the doggonest explosion you ever heard.
Come back with my food!
I do the work of 3 woodpeckers around here. That's why I eat so much.